Are you looking as more people rely on CPAP therapy for sleep apnea? The need for portable, travel-friendly CPAP cleaners is on the rise. Whether you're a frequent traveler, camper, or just want quick cleaning solutions on the go, having the right CPAP sanitizing products is crucial. In this guide, we evaluate top-rated portable CPAP cleaning options based on list number. Clean Smart CPAP Disinfectant Spray kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. If you're looking for a hospital-grade sanitizing spray that's perfectly portable, the Clean Smart CPAP Disinfectant Spray is a winner. This spray kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses on contact without the use of harsh chemicals or irritating fragrances. It's completely safe for daily use, leaving no chemical residue behind. What sets it apart is its hypochlorous acid-based formula, which mimics your body's natural defenses, gentle but powerful. Perfect for sanitizing masks, tubing, and humidifiers while on the go. This product is also TSA compliant, so you won't run into airport issues. The spray mechanism offers even coverage, making cleaning quick enough. List number: Snoogel distilled water for CPAP machines, 12 travel-size bottles. While it's not a disinfectant, Snoogel distilled water is essential for anyone using a humidifier-equipped CPAP machine. This 12-pack of 12-ounce travel-sized bottles provides a clean, mineral-free water source that prevents buildup inside your equipment and reduces the risk of respiratory issues. The bottles are TSA approved, BPA-free, and individually sealed for hygiene and convenience. Perfect for up to 15 days of use. They save you the hassle of hunting for distilled water while traveling. The small size makes them ideal for road trips, cruises, or flights. Users love the leak-proof packaging and how much easier it makes traveling with a CPAP. List number: Purify Pro CPAP Cleaner and Sanitizer Spray. No rinse, no residue. The Purify Pro CPAP Cleaner stands out with its lab-tested formula that kills 99.9999% of germs, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Comes in a 2-pack of 4-ounce bottles, ideal for short trips or everyday use. What makes this spray shine is its no rinse, no residue formula, which dries quickly and leaves no sticky film behind. It's completely alcohol-free, non-toxic, and unscented, making it ideal for sensitive users. Whether you're disinfecting your mask, tubing, or water chamber, this spray gets the job done without mess or irritation. It's lightweight, portable, and leak-proof, making it a solid option for travel. Users love how it keeps their CPAP gear fresh. List number: CPAP Mask Cleaning Wipes, 150 count, 2x75 canisters, unscented and lint-free. If you prefer wipes over sprays, these unscented CPAP mask cleaning wipes are a great pick. With 150 lint-free wipes packed into 2 canisters, you'll have more than enough for multiple trips. Each wipe is thick, moist, and designed for medical-grade cleaning without leaving behind a scent or sticky feel. They're safe for daily use on all CPAP components and made from natural cotton fibers, so you don't have to worry about damaging your equipment. These wipes are great for quickly removing oils and residues, especially on masks and nasal pillows. While the canisters aren't the most compact for flying, they're perfect for road trips. List 9. CPAP Mask Wipes, 150 count, jumbo pack, plus 6 travel sheets by DuraCleanse. For those who want bulk value with on-the-go convenience, the DuraCleanse CPAP Mask Wipes deliver both. This set includes a 150 count jumbo container for home use and 6 individually wrapped travel wipes, giving you the flexibility to clean wherever you are. These extra large, extra moist wipes are excellent at removing dirt, oil, and buildup. The formula is alcohol-free, unscented, and safe for daily use on silicone surfaces. Users particularly love the travel sheets. No need to carry a full container when flying or hiking. If you value versatility and value in one package, this set is a smart choice.